This is the EPSON L8050 Wi-Fi inkjet printer, and it runs on 6 colors. And just so you know, this printer is only for printing. It doesn't have copy or scan function. Now I'm gonna print this marble photo. When it is done, we will compare it to the screen. But first, here are the print settings I will be using. For this test, I'm using regular photo paper, nothing fancy, just this kind right here, which I got it cheap from Mr. DIY. Okay, let's power it on and start the print. I forgot to pull out the tray. There you go, it started printing. And I also speed up the recording for about 8 times faster. That way you don't have to sit through the whole printing process. Normally it takes a little longer, but it keeps the video moving. Alright, the print is done. Let's check it out. Here is the printed photo. And comparison with the image on the screen. What do you guys think? Do the colors look close enough? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you say. Thank you.